going on, y'all? You ever wonder what beaches are nice when you go to Puerto Rico? I mean, most of them are always nice, but which ones are really nice? Well, that's why I'm taking out my drone. I'm gonna show you guys how the beach really looks like, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this is like my top 3 or 4, and it's in Isabela, and it's called Playa Montones, next to Hobos, and maybe you guys will like it. And if you guys end up going, because I showed you these videos, you know, make sure you subscribe and show some love, you know. I appreciate it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Check it out.